Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for book notes. First, create a dedicated database in Notion. Name it something clear like book notes or reading list. Then, add essential properties to organize your information effectively. Include fields for the book's title, author, and your reading status. You might also want to add a property for key takeaways or important quotes. This initial setup is crucial for a streamlined note-taking process. Once your database is ready, focus on capturing the most valuable information. As you read, summarize key ideas from each chapter or section directly within your Notion page. Don't forget to extract powerful quotes that resonate with you, placing them in a dedicated property. You can also track your reading progress by noting the current page number. This method ensures you retain the core concepts and memorable passages from every book. Effective organization and regular review are vital for maximizing your book notes. Utilize Notion's powerful filtering and sorting capabilities to quickly find specific books or themes. Create different views, like a gallery view with book covers, for a more visual experience. Make it a habit to revisit your completed notes. This helps reinforce learning and allows you to synthesize key takeaways into actionable insights, making your reading truly productive. To elevate your book note system, consider some advanced tips. Integrate your book notes with other Notion workspaces, perhaps linking them to project notes or personal development goals. Create custom templates for new book entries to ensure consistency and save time. Set up reminders within Notion to prompt you for review sessions. Finally, remember you can export your notes in various formats, like PDF or Markdown, for easy sharing or backup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.